Thanks for purchasing our dummy drop tank kit. These are some simple instructions for assembly. Identify the top moulded foam parts. These have this recess in them. Ensure that they're flat using a sanding block. If necessary, remove this support material from the waistband for each tank. Yoo-Hoo Pour makes a strong waterproof bond between the upper and lower parts and the waistband. Masking tape would be useful here to hold the parts together until the glue dries. If necessary, remove the raft from the 3D printed pylon components. The front parts have these two holes in them. True them up with a sanding block before assembling the front and rear parts using medium CA and accelerator. Next, fit the 4 3D printed sway braces to each pylon. Remove them from the raft, cleaning them up and the sockets in the pylon with a sharp knife before fitting with medium CA and activator. Fit a pair of 4mm diameter, 4mm thick N42 rare earth magnets. Ease the holes if required. Make sure to fit the 6mm diameter by 6mm thick N42 magnets the right way up into the underside of the wings to attract the tanks. Glue the pylons into the recesses on the top of the tanks using Yoo-Hoo Pour. Remember, these two holes go to the front. Use a smear of lightweight filler or spackle to blend all the joints. Optionally, you can add this bit of scale detail with some soft wire. After a very light sanding and a thorough wash, I used acrylic paints to match my chosen scheme.